Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the error result underscore code underscore hung, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution would be is to check your internet speed, whether that's running or not. So how do we do that? We'll look for fast.com, fast.com, a very nice site to check your internet speed. So my internet speed shows 200. Your speed should show some about 20 megabytes per second. About 20 megabytes per second is fine enough. 100 is excellent, but if it's below 20 megabytes, then maybe that's the reason for the error. All right. So the second option, if that doesn't work, there should be something with the browser, something wrong with the browser for this error to occur. So let's update the browser. So now the steps I'm going to show you, the next few steps I'm going to show you is the same for all platforms and all browsers. So this is the same. I'm using Edge, so I'll explain on Edge, but this is the same for Chrome, for Google, for Mozilla or Opera or Firefox. So let me click on the three buttons and we will go to help about Microsoft Edge. And here we can see that the browser is checking for updates. It now says Microsoft Edge is up to date. So if your browser had a update downloaded, then just click on update and then your browser is updated. Close and restart the browser. If that too did not work, then we need to clear the cache and cookies in the browser. So what we will do is, like I said, same in all browsers. Click the three buttons here. Look at history. Okay. And what we need to do is we need to click on this button, delete browsing data. And we need to select the time range, all time. And we'll click all these boxes here, cookies, cached images, download history, browsing history, and we'll clear it. Once it is cleared, close the browser, reopen the browser, and that error should not appear again. If that too doesn't work, then we need to see if there are any problematic extensions or plugins. So we will again go here, look for extensions, manage extensions, and we will come to know the extension. So if this is like on, then that means the extension is plugged into your browser. So I have only one extension here. You might have multiple extensions. So what you can do is you can uh, close all the extensions by clicking the button to the left. Or if you want to find out which plugin is the problematic plugin, you can do it one by one. Once you find out, you can either temporarily, I mean, permanently keep it on close, or you can delete the plugin, uninstall the plugin, then close the browser and reopen the browser, and this should not work. Now, these options should have solution should have fixed your error problem, but if it doesn't, then we'll reset the browser. So we go here again, we click here, let's go to settings, and we had to expand the browser. So we'll go to reset settings and restore settings to their default values and click reset, and this should have solved the error problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel and